There's a big Latino community in Toronto and in Canada. Excited to see you play.
You know, something that I'm gonna bring is a lot of energy. You know, I played in New York before, like big Latin community. I play in Miami, big Latin community, and now in Canada. So, like I said, I get used to it. So I just try to put my team in great position to win again every single day, every single night. And, you know, I can't wait. You know, I'm very excited
What do you bring
to be part of this organization to represent the Toronto Blue Jays there in Toronto.
There's a rich history of Dominicans in this organization. Have you reached out and talked to some of those guys?
I talked with Fernandez and Delgado. He was like my father when we played together in New York for like 3 years. You know, I talked to Delgado couple of times. You know, he explained to me about how great the organization is and about the city of Toronto, how beautiful and nice people are there.
Look at this team. You know, the first half of the order, Dominicans. You could have any day 6, 7, 8 in the lineup at one time. What's that like for you playing with those guys?
Like I said, I feel like I'm gonna play winter ball. You know, so many Latin ball players, but like I said, we got very good ones. You know, we got Jose Batista, you know, one of the best power hitter in the game, one of the best players in the game. We got Encarnacion, like you said, Bonifacio, you know, and some other guys here. Like I said, it's gonna be exciting for us.
The last time this team won the World Series, the guy leading them there, Robbie Alomar. A lot of comparisons from you to him now that you're here. It's a lot of praise. He's a Hall of Famer. What does that mean to you?
I had the pleasure to play with Robin Alomar when I was in New York Mets. So I was playing shortstop. He was playing second base. He one of the great second basemen in the game, you know, and I learned a lot from him. I mean, you know, he gave me a lot of advice, you know, when I was like 22 years old there in New York. And, you know, like I say, everything sounds good. Like if people say, oh, he plays similar like Robin Alomar, but Robin Alomar, he's in another level. He's a Hall of Fame player. You know, I appreciate that from the people say that, but that's something that I not go to my mind. You know, I just here to do one thing, just do my job.
In all your different stops, I know you didn't expect to be in Canada, but if you can win a World Series in Canada, what would that mean to you?
Well, that's gonna mean a lot because, you know, I already had like 10 years in the big league. You know, I'm not able to win anything. You know, as a ball player, you know, I know we have everything like money-wise, but you know, that's no matter. When you get that ring, you're never gonna forget. I mean, that's like a dream come true.